Children who are blind have trouble with their development, socially, psychologically, education, physical development, and blindness at a very young age has a huge impact. So with some restoration, partial restoration of sight, it enables the children to be able to see people around them, interact with them more easily. I think that it helps with their education, the ability to potentially read and write, social independence, to be able to walk around a room or space, being able to restore some vision has been very positive for these children. It is rare for such groundbreaking work to be done. Certainly never been done in this field, and I am delighted to be a part of it. It is absolutely a personal career milestone.